And Kayla, we have a lot of people here in Monroe County upset with where the orange zones fell and with some of the restrictions it brings. But today, Cuomo defended the designation and the orders.
Yes, Adam, Governor Cuomo says microclusters work, citing upstate New York success stories such as the situation in Broome County. Now, businesses in Monroe County's orange zone will have to go under new restrictions starting tonight, and they say that they're not the cause of the spread. Today, Governor Cuomo says that national data suggests otherwise. In an orange zone, gyms, hair salons, and barbershops have to close down, and restaurants move to outdoor dining only. Governor Cuomo says experts nationally agree they are the biggest spreaders, along with home gatherings.
Bars, restaurants, gyms, you can enforce. Those are the four main spreaders.
But this isn't what we've heard about Monroe County from Public Health Commissioner Dr. Michael Mendoza. He says locally he hasn't seen spread linked to gyms, salons, and barbershops. He does say restaurants and bars are a concern, but the main issue is small gatherings in people's homes. When asked about this today, Governor Cuomo says,
You had 75 people hospitalized November 4th. You went to 268. That's a 257% increase. It's one of the highest increases in the state of New York. What happened? Obviously, you haven't figured out what's causing it, and if you have, you haven't stopped it.
Dr. Mendoza responded today in a statement saying, in part, the Monroe County Department of Public Health has said for weeks that the majority of community spread of COVID-19 has come from small gatherings of people not wearing masks, physically distancing, or following other proper guidelines. Monroe County Department of Public Health regularly reports instances of public transmission in bars and restaurants, but has not had to issue such reports for many other businesses to date. The governor's secretary, Melissa DeRosa, also chimed in to explain the logic about closing orange zone businesses. She says that the goal is to close high-risk businesses where you may not know everyone you came in contact with. She says while gyms and salons have been doing a great job with the restrictions, when there is higher community spread, the restrictions just aren't bulletproof. Live in Rochester, Kayla Green, News 8.